year after year, my blueberry produces lots of fruit. But they never ripen. They just slowly turn hard and eventually they fall off. What can I do to get ripe blueberries? Do I have the right variety? And this is Martin in Knoxville. All right? So what do you think about that, Doc?
Well, it could be several things. There's a disease called mummy fruit that I have seen on my own blueberries, not to the extent that he's describing. It would just be a few berries here and there, and culturally you just hand pick them, you know, take the mulch out and rake up the plant debris and the little mummified fruit every year, reapply the mulch. And it could also be with the rabbit eye blueberries is what I'm assuming that he has, which is the most common group that we grow down here in this part of the world. You know, but they do better if you get two named varieties because they set more fruit.
Thank you for mentioning
They're self-fertile, but they set more fruit if they can cross-pollinate. So if he's just got the one variety, he might look and think about getting another one.
Yes.
A different one.
Yes.
So that it'll set. But the mummy fruit, just culturally, you know, take care of the mummified fruit, take it off, rake it up, you know, do something with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably rabbit eye. You know, 'cause I'm thinking Tiff blue, climax comes to mind, garden blue, bright blue.
And Tiff blue, some of the ones that I've looked at, some of them are more sensitive to that disease. So there are some that are a little bit more resistant. So you might want to do a little research before he buys that other variety. If it is some mummy fruit, you know, disease going on.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.